Currently in the process of installing my Outsunny hardtop pergola. Come with 5 big boxes that have been taking up the kitchen for the last couple of months. Been a bit too cold out there for building this, and I have been building a patio, a porcelain patio at the moment. So I've started the pergola. I'll just show you now the progress so far. So this took me probably 3 hours today to do. And there's the porcelain patio down there that's just been finished. Bit windy today, but we're just installing the Outsunny hardtop pergola. It was quite easy actually. I did want to film the whole thing, but I've only done parts of it. So building the frame, which was the easy bit, and then the roof was quite easy as well. Putting that together, it's the panels that are really hard. Advice if you are buying one is to leave these bolts and the corners off or loose, and then at the top as well on the middle bit. Then you can kind of wiggle the panels in, but had a real struggle, and fighting against the wind as well was pretty hard. So yeah, I'll show you it from over here.